Today, we take a look into the world's most favorite drunken holiday, St. Patrick's Day. What is it? Where did it come from? And what's with all the green? These are just a few of the questions we will answer today on Nature with Nat. Now let's get out there, drink us some green beer, catch us a leprechaun, and get us some luck of the Irish. Ireland. Apparently it's not the land down under. That's Australia. But they do have a similar accent and drink a lot. To get into the spirit of St. Patrick's Day, I'm going to drink this green beer. Just for the viewers at home, it tastes just like a regular beer. They say that leprechauns only come out on St. Patrick's Day. Let's try to lure this one out and ask him about his pot of gold. Hello, Mr. Con? I've left him out his favorite food to see if we can capture him. A big tradition in Ireland is to kiss some rock named the Blarney stone. Legend has it that if you kiss this rock, you will get the gift of gab, which basically translates into excellent flirter. I don't have the budget to go to Ireland, so we're gonna kiss some of these rocks instead. I feel nothing. Still nothing. Maybe if I drink some of this green beer, these rocks will start to look a little bit better. Nothing. Oh my god, I can't believe we found one. A real live leprechaun, guys. A real one. Hold my beer. Get out of the way, he's gonna see us. Get down. Oh.
Pretty neat looking camera. What do you mean?
Oh, pot of gold.
Pot of gold?
Take us to it.
What do you... Oh, pot. Are you high? Do you need pot? Like, is that what you're looking at?
Take us to your pot of gold now, leprechaun.
I'm not a leprechaun, you idiot. I'm average height.
Turns out he's just short. Maybe we need a little bit more luck to get our hands on that little leprechaun. It's time to look for Ireland's national plant, a four-leaf clover. Only three. Three again. Three. 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 Since we've had no luck with those clovers, let's see if we've caught that leprechaun. Looks like we might have got him. Stay away from my home and my pot of gold. Con! Join us next time on Nature with Nat when we discuss dinosaurs and their current state of anorexia.